Meaning of Golden Retriever.
Golden Retriever.
Golden Retriever.
Golden Retriever.
Golden Retriever. A Golden Retriever is a breed of dog that originated in Scotland. They are known for their friendly and outgoing nature, as well as their ability to retrieve birds undamaged when hunting. Golden Retrievers have a thick, dense coat that ranges from a light to darker shade of gold. They are also highly trainable and often used as service dogs due to their intelligence and willingness to please. Overall, the term Golden Retriever refers to a beloved breed of dog that is cherished for its loyalty, companionship, and usefulness.